A digital twin is a digital copy of a physical asset, in our case, a tunnel, which includes all physical elements in 3D, as well as traffic management systems, traffic simulations, and maintenance management systems of the infrastructure. Infrastructure projects are often large and complex. That makes it difficult to identify expensive design errors until it is built in the real world. Especially during the construction phase, this complexity causes challenges for coordination and collaboration between project participants and increases the potential for mistakes. Our 3D digital representation provides one single data source for all project participants to improve the collaboration and coordination between them. The digital twin extends the capabilities of 3D models and allows a real-time connectivity between the real and virtual world. The digital twin for tunnels also assists to test and validate the architectural and electromechanical design, preventing costly errors before it is implemented in the real world. The visualization of all construction elements helps to virtually conduct and simulate many functionalities during operation and maintenance phase. Our digital twin can be used for the whole tunnel project life cycle, therefore it benefits general contractors, road operators, engineering and design companies. This minimizes costs and time. Several design, engineering, and construction companies are already using building information modeling, which implements real-time data and further functionalities for creating a digital twin. We at Yunex Traffic have successfully implemented a first digital twin in the Koenig's Tunnel in Den Haag, which is used for virtual camera placements, scenario simulations, and operator trainings.